Basic concept of geography: latitude, longitude, change in season, duration of day and night. First, we study latitude. So, latitude, this is North Pole, South Pole. This is the latitude, also called parallel. The definition of latitude is a imaginary line or circle. Second, latitude vary from 0 degree to 90 degree. Third, latitude are parallel circle oriented in east-west direction. Fourth, latitude used for determine the location of place. Fifth, latitude decide the temperature of a place. Sixth, latitude decrease as we move poleward, whether in north, whether in south. So this is the 0 degree equator. This is Tropic of Cancer 23 half north, and this is Tropic of Capricorn 23 half south.